Our very own Joe Terranova has created a new index for investors to track quality U.S. companies with positive technical momentum. And today, Virtus Investment Partners is launching an ETF to track that index under the ticker symbol Joe T. I thought it was going to be BHSH. You know what that stands for? Buy high, sell higher.
Scott. Buy high, sell higher.
But you went with Joe T. Congratulations, man. I know this is big news. You're so excited about it. Tell us about it.
Well, and thank you for that. By the way, this does not help. This does not happen without you and Jim and Steph and all in the halftime universe. So buy high, sell higher, basically identifying high conviction investment opportunities. And that's exactly what we're doing in the introduction here of a new strategy. There's this debate between growth and value. I'm not trying to offer a solution for that debate. I'm offering a compelling alternative in the capacity of a better index. So it's 125 large cap U.S. equity names, equally weighted. They are initially screened by momentum, which is so incredibly important in capital markets right now because of the quantitative participation, and then graded further by quality, return on equity, debt to equity, and annualized sales growth over the prior 3 years. And you've got 125 names that I truly believe will offer an opportunity for long-term investors to gain index exposure.
Tech, the biggest weighting, as we see right there at 32%. Jim, I want your take on this. You've got holdings that, tried and true names. Adobe and Amazon, Apple, AMD, and on and on and on. Pretty good list.
I like it. I like it because the S&P 500 is made up of a lot of losers that I don't want. I wish they were cold, but you're not allowed to do that. But Joe did it. He cold the losers. I mean, it's like the Hunger Games. I mean, these are the ones that get to District 13 or whatever. And I find that what's happened is that the young people are going to go crazy for this. Why? Because they want to own the good stocks that are in the index. Now, yes. The late Mr. Bogle would always say you can't really do that. I come back and go with a Peter Lynch view, which is that I bet you the younger people know most of the winners. I urge them to look at them. Don't be blind about it. But I've wanted an index like this ever since the Prudential Beige had the Thrice Blessed, right, Steph?
Oh, yeah. Thrice Blessed was actually a really great product because it captured a lot of various different methods to look at stocks. So it was technical, quantitative, and fundamental. And now in this day and age, it's also ESG too. So you can kind of use all four of them. And the performance over time actually shows those kinds of stocks that have been checkmarked from these various different assets are actually outperformers over time.